What is up? Day 108. Is it 108? It is. It's confirmed. Day 108. We got up really early this morning. We stayed last night in Tom's yard in the town of Dalton, Massachusetts, and we got up this morning at 4:30 because that's when the sun comes up, and we hiked over the mountain to Cheshire, and I had a package waiting for me. It's Saturday and post office closes at 11:30. The good news is we got there early at like 9:30, and it's really hot. Last night was in the mid 70s. It said 73 degrees, but it felt like 80 degrees all night, which is probably what it was in the tent. But so we hiked over this mountain to come into town, and we did a light resupply, and we're almost out of Massachusetts. So tonight we're on the climb to Greylock. So out of Cheshire, Massachusetts is a 2,500 foot climb over 7 miles. And at the top of the climb is the top of Mount Greylock, which you can drive up to. So we're gonna hike up there, and then we're staying at a lodge up on the top where we rented bunks, which are $35 a pop, but it comes with laundry. It does not come with laundry, but they have laundry there. No, they don't. All right, someone earlier said they had coin-op laundry. That's some bad data. But they do have breakfast in the morning and showers. So there's that. And then tomorrow we will be entering the great state of Vermont. And then we only have Vermont, New Hampshire, and Maine. And all of Maine. Maine is a 200 plus mile state. So we have that to look forward to. And at this point, we still have a little over 600 miles left. I don't know the exact number. I'll find that out later. But we still have over 600 miles to go. So we've got about 6 more weeks of hiking. And did I say that it's hot? Because it's hot. And it's supposed to rain this afternoon. And with the rain, there's supposed to be cooler weather, so it's supposed to cool down this like heat that's just been growing over the last few days. But it's good to be in the Northeast, because it could be worse. We could be in Georgia or North Carolina or Virginia right now, even Pennsylvania, where it's really hot. So this like mid 80 degree weather isn't that bad. But as you can see, I just started to sweat because we just started to climb. We're just about to get hammered by a rainstorm. Oh yeah, there's the privy. Oh yeah, there's a pretty smell. Whew. Oh yeah, this is like perfect timing. So I got grits up front, nibbles in the back, and we're on our way up to Greylock to stay at this lodge, but we knew there were big storms today, so we're just cruising on in.
It hard till like 3, and I was like, well, I'll be 10 minutes, and then...
Woo! That's what Osmo do?
Yeah, it's the Osmo Pocket.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's cool.
Tiny.
I know it has a gimbal on it though, and like perfect picture.
Yeah, it's 4K. Yeah. Oh, that's so weird, isn't it? Top of Greylock. And this is where we're staying tonight. Should we go claim our spots?